Hustle your way to profits. Retail arbitrage explained. Want to make money? Like real money? You gotta hustle. And retail arbitrage is a hustle that can pay off big. Here's the deal. You buy stuff cheap and you sell it higher. Simple. Think of it like this. You're a hunter, but instead of tracking animals, you're hunting for deals. Online stores, clearance sales, these are your hunting grounds. You find that hidden gem, that product people are dying to get their hands on, but don't know where to look. That's where you come in. You bridge the gap. You become the connect, and you make that profit. It's all about spotting the opportunity. See a brand name toy on sale for half off? That's your cue. A limited edition sneaker everyone wants but can't find? Snatch it up. Retail arbitrage is about being hungry, being quick, and making that move. The online ocean, your source for hidden treasures. The internet, my friends, is a gold mine. Millions of products, endless possibilities. Forget driving around town, hitting up every store. Online, you can find deals faster, easier, and without ever leaving your couch. Think Amazon, Walmart, Target, the big players. But don't sleep on the smaller guys, niche websites, even online marketplaces. Each one is a potential treasure trove of undervalued goods. Clearance sections are your best friend. Flash sales, your secret weapon. Sign up for email lists. Follow your favorite brands on social media. You need to be in the know, always on the lookout for that next steal. Remember, the internet never sleeps. Deals pop up 24/7. You gotta be ready to pounce. Price wars, how to win every time. You found a product. Great. Now let's talk numbers. This is where the real hustle comes in. You need to compare prices across different online stores. Don't settle for the first price you see. Dig deeper. There are tools for this. Browser extensions, price comparison websites, they're your allies in this war. Use them. Input the product, see who's got it cheapest, factor in shipping costs. Every penny counts. But remember, price isn't everything. Look at seller ratings, shipping times, return policies. You want a smooth transaction from purchase to delivery. The goal is simple. Buy as low as possible, leaving you maximum room for profit. Master this, and you're on your way to arbitrage domination. Section 4. Secrets of a Master Arbitrageur. Buy low, sell high. You've got the product. You snagged it at a killer price. Now, it's time to turn that inventory into cold, hard cash. Facebook Marketplace is your new best friend. Why? Because it's massive, it's local, and it's free to use. But here's the key. Presentation is everything. High-quality photos, clear descriptions, competitive pricing. You want your listing to pop, to grab attention. Think like a customer. What would make you click buy now? Don't be afraid to promote your listings. Share them on your profile, in relevant groups. Engage with potential buyers. Answer questions promptly. Customer service is king. Make them feel valued. Remember, you're not just selling a product, you're selling an experience. Make it a good one. Section 5. From click to cash, a real-life arbitrage play. Let's say you find a brand-name Bluetooth speaker on clearance for $50. Retail price, $100. You scoop it up. You create a killer listing on Facebook Marketplace, high-quality photos, detailed description, the works. You price it at $80, undercutting the competition while still making a tidy profit. A buyer messages you, interested. You respond promptly, answer their questions, seal the deal. They pick up the speaker, you get your $80. Boom! You just made a $30 profit minus any minimal expenses. Rinse and repeat. This is just one example. The possibilities are endless. Electronics, clothing, home goods, you name it. There's a market for everything. Find your niche, become an expert, and watch the profits roll in. Section 6. Facebook Marketplace. Your direct line to buyers. Why Facebook Marketplace? Let me break it down for you. It's all about access. Millions of users right at your fingertips. These aren't just random people. They're potential customers in your local area, ready to buy. Forget eBay fees. Forget Amazon's competition. On Facebook Marketplace, you list for free. You keep more of your profits. It's direct, it's local, and it's built for hustlers like you. Plus, you're building a community. You're connecting with people in your area, establishing yourself as a reliable seller. Word of mouth is powerful. Happy customers lead to repeat business. Facebook Marketplace is your platform to shine. Use it wisely and watch your arbitrage empire grow. Section 7. Dive in. The world of arbitrage awaits. So, what are you waiting for? The world of retail arbitrage is waiting for you. It's time to stop dreaming and start doing. Get online, find those deals, and start flipping your way to financial freedom. Remember, success in arbitrage takes hustle, it takes dedication, it takes a keen eye for opportunity. But the rewards are there for those willing to put in the work. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This is about building a sustainable business, one smart deal at a time. So get out there, crush it, and show the world what you're made of.